What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going bass fishing. We're out here in this 40 degrees weather. As you can see, it's the middle of February. It's a little bit windy out here today and a little bit overcast. Hopefully we can land some bass today for y'all and have a great outcome of video. Today we're going to be fishing with, we got this crawfish color lure right here, lipless crank. Then we got black and blue football jig with a blue crawdad trailer. Got this setup right here from Walmart. It's a cheap beginner setup right here. This one I use for my high school division bass league. It's a little bit more expensive. It's the Mach 2 set from Lew's, and that reel is also from Lew's. Alright, but let's get to it. Hopefully we can catch some bass. Alright, so this is the pond we're going to be fishing today. I got my dog right here. I guess he's going to join us today. So first, we're going to start off throwing this red lipless crankbait. We're going to work the edge of these banks a little bit. Just a little bumping action on it. I don't know what that was. I won't go for it. Maybe a little bit deeper out will work. I don't know how deep these fish are this time of year. I don't fish much in February anyways. It might be all over there in that corner too, this time of year, because the wind's blowing that way. I always want to make sure you fish it right up to the bank, because sometimes some fish will wait till the last second to bite it. Gotta get that junk off of it. It's a little windy out here too, so the fish might not be biting because of the wind. I think that might be a small one, maybe. Oh, must have been the grass. I'm retarded. grabbing all this junk. I'm gonna fish around this real quick with this. And I'm gonna go grab the football jig and fish this wood in a little bit. Probably have better chances with that anyways. Perfect cast right there. Sometimes a fish right there. Most time there is. I know in the summertime it is a lot. Dragging the bottom. I know, we're gonna go back and work this wood with my football jig. Alright, so we're back here with the football jig. Good thing about a football jig, you can throw it up in the woods. Well, not the woods, but like one that's mossier and stuff, and don't have to worry about it getting all kinds of stuck and crap. You can kind of just yank it through everything if you're strong enough. Gonna let it sink all the way to the bottom first. Just kind of like jig it on the bottom. This time of year the fish aren't as aggressive. You gotta be patient with them. Pond I'm fishing is about 1.5 acres, 2 acres possibly. I don't necessarily know too much. Go over here and fish this wood. That's a nice rub right there. Look at that rub. Something's been down here. Hopefully a big buck's waiting for me this summer. I mean, it's hunting season. I'm gonna go ahead and flip one right here real quick just in case there's a fish on it that I can't see. I'll flip the back side of this now. Come at it with a different strategy. Sometimes you gotta hit stuff with a different strategy and it works out better sometimes. You'll never know till you try it. These fish could still be out a little deeper than I think they are, because it still ain't been that warm recently. They had like one warm day, but that was about it. Try and flip a little bit deeper this time. They might be out deeper. I don't really know. I don't fish much in February anyways. I hear my dog coming. go up here to the next spot, I reckon. I caught my PB out of this spot before. Just cast it right up here on this log. Oh crap. How to get that out of there? See what I mean by like that thing just comes right out no matter what you tow it in. It can be a good thing, sometimes a bad thing, mostly a good thing. I'm ready to go fish that log jam over there. I'm gonna go do that actually. Go fish this little log jam I made by knocking a tree in the water. Well, first we'll stop at this little hangover log jam that we got going on. Throw right up in it. So much junk on the bottom, I don't know why. Go ahead and flip it. That was horrible. I don't even know what I was thinking. So I'm trying to knot up. I'm like, I need to reline this reel. I caught a nice fish right here one time before. I'm flipping off on this log. It's a little overhang spot. That might have been a fish. I don't think so, but it might have been. We're gonna try it again. I don't think it was. Look at that cast right there. That should catch him, hopefully. Nope. All I can catch is just freaking all this junk on the bottom. I don't know why there's so much junk. It's a good old honey hole right here. That could have been bad. Oh yeah, look at that. If they don't catch them, the fish ain't biting today, I don't guess. I was hung up. I don't know where all this junk came from. We did have a storm a couple days ago though. Could have came from that. Alright, we're going back to the red lipless crank, and we're gonna fish where this wind's blowing into these cattails at. There may be some fish on it, there may not be. Seen a lot of sinus and pelicans, so they could have ate all the fish out of here. I don't even know. I'm just gonna do a little slow reel action to it. Might get them fired up. So that right there, that's some bird crap from where these things have been up in here. Well, it ain't good either when you're fishing. You get all this junk on your lure because the fish don't like it. There's one. Oh, never mind. Crap. How is there some like, I don't even know what this is. Some like briar crap over here. The storm must have been a whole lot worse than I thought it was. Go over here and throw it over there on that wood. And that tree in the water. Fish that cove first, actually. If this wind calms down, I might go and do a little bit of squirrel hunting. I don't know yet. It just depends on the wind, to be honest. Let me know if y'all would like to see a little squirrel hunting action. I might go in the morning. It all just depends on the wind. Something right there keeping it hung up on. It's probably another system of that stuff I just pulled up a little bit ago. That's just good. Might as well just go ahead and reel that in. Why is this thing making them weird noises? Don't like that. We got baseball coming up tomorrow actually. So if I don't be posting a lot, that's why. But I'll try to get out as much content as I can. We're still trapping. Trapping season don't end until, well, for bobcats and crap, it don't end until another like 10 more days. And then we still got, that's why it's making this weird noise. And then for freaking snag. And then squirrel hunting, I think we still got another 10 days for that too. And then what else can we be doing? Summer's coming up, so we'll be having a whole bunch of riding videos. And what else? Fishing videos. That'll be fun. If I make that long cast one more time, I swear. That cast right there, boy. might go do some catfishing, I don't know, in a month or so. I got some new catfish rods and reels, as you saw in one of my other videos. So, I gotta get some line for them, like Tuesday-ish. And then, we should be able to do some catfishing, which I like catfishing a lot better than bass fishing, to be honest. It's a lot more relaxing, and you don't have to be so stressful on yourself. But it can be stressful at sometimes. Like, we had a tournament yesterday for catfishing, actually. I think we got the Junior Angler Award. But other than that, we didn't do so great. We had 17 pounds. Golly. We had 17 pounds. And I think what won it was like 90 something. Which they caught some studs. It was a really rough day out on the water though. I would have got some footage of that, but to be honest, it was so windy that the footage would have been so bad. It wouldn't have been even worth watching, to be honest. I wouldn't have watched it because of the wind. That's the reason I didn't record it. No, we're gonna work it back this way and go hopefully catch some fish. I know there's some in here, but I ain't really ever fished this pond in February, so I don't know how they act.